Friend, describe in detail explain of build a robot dance crew and a quiz, 10 multiple choice questions, A, B, C, D. Answers. One answer is correct, that is mentioned below. Build a robot dance crew, explained. Building a robot dance crew involves creating a group of robots designed and programmed to perform synchronized dance routines. This process combines robotics, programming, engineering, and artistic creativity. Here's a detailed breakdown of the steps involved. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. Step 1. Design the robots. Conceptualization. Decide the theme and style of the dance crew, e.g., futuristic, retro, or culturally inspired. Physical design. Choose the size, shape, and materials for the robots. Incorporate features like LED lights, movable joints, and expressive faces for added flair. Step 2. Select components. Motors and actuators enable smooth movement of limbs and body. Sensors include cameras, gyroscopes, and proximity sensors to help robots maintain balance and adapt to surroundings. Microcontrollers use hardware like Arduino or Raspberry Pi to serve as the brain of the robot. Step 3. Programming. Movement algorithms. Write code to choreograph dance moves. Synchronize movements across multiple robots using wireless communication. AI integration. Implement AI for real-time adaptability, such as responding to music beats or audience interaction. Step 4. Choreography. Plan the routine. Create a dance routine that showcases the robot's capabilities, such as spins, waves, or coordinated group formations. Practice and fine-tuning. Test the performance, refine synchronization, and troubleshoot any movement glitches. Step 5. Music and visual effects. Music sync. Use beat detection algorithms to match movements to the music. Lighting and props. Add LED effects, fog machines, or digital backdrops to enhance the performance's visual appeal. Step 6. Showcase the performance. Perform at tech fairs, competitions, or create viral online videos to share the unique robot dance crew experience. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. 1. What is the main component used to control a robot's movements? A. Battery. B. Sensor. C. Microcontroller. D. Prancer. C. Microcontroller. 2. Which of these is crucial for a robot's balance during a dance? A. Wheels. Gyroscope. C. LED lights. D. Camera. Answer. Gyroscope. 3. What is used to synchronize multiple robots in a dance crew? A. Wi-Fi or Bluetooth communication. B. Extra batteries. C. Manual adjustments. D. Mechanical springs. Answer. A. Wi-Fi or Bluetooth communication. 4. Which programming language is commonly used for robot choreography? A. Python. B. HTML, CSS. D. PHP. Answer. Python. 5. What is the purpose of beat detection algorithms in robot dance performances? A. Adjust lighting. B. Synchronize movements to music. C. Measure time. D. Detect obstacles. Answer B. Synchronize movements to music. 6. Which robot component enables movement of limbs? A. Actuator. B. Battery. C. Sensor. D. Microcontroller. Answer A. Actuator. 7. What is an important visual feature for a robot dance crew? Movable joints. B. LED lights. C. Expressive faces. D. All of the above. Answer D. All of the above. What technology helps robots adapt to changing music or audience interactions? A. Artificial intelligence. A. Static code. C. Simple motors. D. Basic sensors. Answer A. Artificial intelligence. AI. 9. Which platform is popular for programming small robots? A. Arduino. B. Excel. C. Photoshop. D. AutoCAD. Answer Arduino. 10. What is the first step in building a robot dance crew? A. Selecting music. B. Programming movements. C. Designing the robots. D. Testing the performance. Answer C. Designing the robots.